What's up guys, John from TechSpace, and today we've got another new RC car. This time it's a brush model and it's from Pinecone Models, and look what that is guys. That looks suspiciously a lot like a Subaru WRX STI. And what is that? Anyway, it looks like there is a gyro in this vehicle. ESP is another word for gyro in these RC vehicles I've seen in the past. It's a 1/16 scale 4-wheel drive brush model. Now I did also order the brushless model in this form, but I got a notification today to say that the order has been cancelled due to shipping problems. So they didn't ship the two vehicles together, and yeah, it seems like I lost out on the brushless model. So I'm just going to do a video on the brush model then. Right, so it says it's a remote control vehicle guys. It's 4-wheel drive, it's ready to run, it's got headlights, lithium battery, it's gyro stabilized, and it's got an all-in-one ESC with all-terrain tires. There's a photo of the transmitter that should be in there. Alright guys, so there is the box underneath, and there you can see that is the model that I did get. So the pro models being the brushless, and then the regular models I wanted to get the brush in this one and the brushes in that one, but yeah, like I said, my brushes one got cancelled. Okay, so let's open it up and let's see what is inside. Knife. Alright, lock it up. Take it out, good packaging. Empty box. So you've got operating instructions, and that seems like you can get it in Chinese, and oh, that looks familiar. I've seen that before. Alright, so it looks like it's a standardized instruction manual that they use for most of their vehicles. They just bring out a new body style every year. Right, just basic information guys, part lists. There's that mini. Right, so there's a couple of accessories you can buy, and it looks like a lot of it is interchangeable, which is fantastic. Now, don't know what's going on with that body, and I hope there's plastic on here so I can get it. You see it's a little bit roughed up. There's no good shine on it. I hope that you can, but look at that guys. How cute is that? Right, let's take it. That, so let's open the box at the bottom, like in so. As you can see, there's a couple of zip ties. How did you guys like this? That thing is awesome, and that thing is better than any one of these in terms of fun factor. We know that one is indestructible. This one is in between. I don't know if I like it too much. I like that one. I love this one. Right, so let's right, so there the car goes guys. Okay, we look at that now. Let's just put it that side. Let's look what else is in the box. You've got your controller, SG Pinecone or Pinecone model. You've got a gyro control, which is great. That one there. You've got steering trim, steering dual rate, throttle reverse, steering reverse. Alright, and you're gonna need what looks to be 4 AA batteries, which I do have somewhere here. I will get it installed now. Then you've got an on and off button. You've got a good feel on the foam wheel here. Yep, good tension on the throttle. You've got a channel 4, which I'm guessing is I'm not too sure what it is. You've got channel 3, which is usually for the lights. But yeah, it's a nice controller guys. Very, very nice. Right, let's see what is in this box. Hopefully this is where I'll find the battery. So there's nothing else in this box there. Right, so you've got a little accessory pack. Drift wheels in there, so hard plastic drift wheels, there they are. 4 of them. They look quite nice. Right, then you've got a couple of tools with a couple of extra pins. It's got a 2S charger, guys, and there you can see there's 3 pins. That means it's 2S only. Right, so this is nice. Put that away there. Now let's look at the car. Okay, you've got a couple of pins. You can see again there was some sort of damage on the vehicle there. I'm not happy about the state of the vehicles that I am getting it of late. I just want to see if there's a plastic. I believe there's a plastic cover over this, which I want to take off and just see if I can get that shine back for the vehicle. But yeah. Alright, so you've got a battery, guys, with a wire that goes into the ESC. So I'm just going to pull that out so we can get the body free from the actual chassis. So there's a chassis, it's 1/16 scale. There's the included battery already. The connection is JST. Look at that, guys. I haven't had one of those for a long time. JST connection. You've got a little, I believe it's a 390 turn brushed motor. And you've got oil-filled shocks, guys. Look at that. The tires really feels nice. You've got a little foam here for your impacts against the walls. You've got adjustable camber, or is that toe? I'm never too sure. You've actually got CVDs. Look at that. And that is front and rear, guys. Really nice. Okay, and there's the light to the back. So there you can see there's a quad exhaust pipe with a single light there, which is going to represent your braking light. You've got a separate servo. You've got a ESC and receiver combo. There you can see the on and off switch outside of the chassis, which is so nice and convenient. Really looks nice, guys. Looks epic. Okay, so I'm quickly going to check whether there is actually a film on that body. So there was in fact plastic cover over the body shell, and I've removed it, and look how great that looks, guys. Look at that shine. Now that's a lot better. Okay, I'm quickly going to put it all together. So the battery tray has got this awesome little holder which just goes like this, and this is actually a LiPo battery. It's a 1200 milliamp hour, 7.4 volts LiPo battery. Awesome. And like I said, guys, it's got a JST plug with a balance charger for a 2S LiPo. Okay, just an overview of what's in the box. So you've got your very capable Pinecone model controller, and I just wanted to show you guys what happens to the lights once you press channel 3. Alright, so there's the first press, second press. So that's first, second, first. Right, so you can have just like the running lights almost. Then you can have the running lights and the main headlights. And then you can just have the main headlights. Right, let's see if anything changes at the back. Okay, so you've just got that single light, guys. Light 1. Turns it off, so you can turn off that light, but yeah, there's just a single function for that light. And then you've got your battery charger. You've got a couple of tools. I've already put on the drift tires for it, guys. So that is the tires that it came with. Very nice rubber tires, and then you've also got an instruction manual. So I'm just going to get the battery charged up, and then as soon as the weather clears, I'm going to give it a rip. So stay tuned for that, guys. If you like this video, please give it a like, and also if you have not done so yet, please subscribe to the channel, which is me. I'm Jonathan from TechSpace, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Fiddler Joe from Kokomo took lessons on a piccolo, but after 7 years or so he could play a violin.